Hi, madam. My name is Ying at YA3034. I will start this presentation with the introduction. Our group decided to choose telecommunication company, namely DIGI Telecommunications and BERHAD and REDTONE Digital BERHAD. The two companies are doing the same business in the same industry, which is mobile communication service. We have collected the annual reports for these two companies in 2019, 2020, 2021 to do financial analysis. The method of analyzing the financial ratios is to use 14 financial ratio to calculate all the ratios from the data in the financial statement and do a 3-year trend analysis by using horizontal analysis and vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis is used to review companies' financial statement and compare year-over-year ratios. Vertical analysis is to show insight into the relative importance or proportion of various items on the financial statements of a particular year by comparing the ratio for both companies from year to year.
My name is Ho Sing Lee. My matric number is 821A2497. I have a presentation for 2.0 business nature of the company, which is DIGI Telecommunication and REDTONE Digital BERHAD. For DIGI Telecommunication, this company are established in May 1995 in Malaysia. DIGI Sdn BERHAD also offers services such as mobile voice, internet, and digital services, are mainly focusing on prepaid plan, postpaid, internet data plan, and international calling services (IDD) to the community. This company has 1,473 employees are working it. The vision for DIGI Telecommunications Sdn BERHAD is to be a company that always changes the game with the new philosophy of Let's Inspire. The mission is to exceed the mobile internet services and application by offering customers the right combination of device, value, price, and the best user experience, such as keeping promise, being respectful, always exploring, and creating together. For REDTONE Digital BERHAD, this company are established in 1996 and the founder name is Bin Sut Lau as the CEO. REDTONE has grown rapidly to become a leading provider of telecommunication services and integrated digital infrastructure for organizations. REDTONE also has workforces of more than 315 employees in R&D, technical, and customer service. The REDTONE Digital BERHAD are strongly emphasize their brand promise, which is flexible, value, and dependable. The brand promise of REDTONE will reflect their commitment to deliver service offering with the best professionalism and reliability to their customer.
Hi, my name is ZAFIRAH binti ZURILA and my matric number is 8183251. Today I want to talk about horizontal analysis for DIGI Telecommunications and BERHAD. Current ratio. The value of current ratio in 2021 is the lowest 0.49 times compared to 2019, which is the highest 0.67 times. Quick ratio. The value of quick ratio in 2021 is the lowest 0.45 times compared to 2018, which is the highest 0.64 times. Networking capital. The value of networking capital in 2019 is the lowest negative 9,310 ringgit region than 2021, which is the highest negative 1,509,456 ringgit measure. In inventory turnover. In inventory turnover, the value of 2019 is the highest 59.58 times compared to 2020, which is the lower 44.84 times. Fixed asset turnover. In fixed asset turnover, the value of 2021 is the highest 2.21 times compared to 2020, which is the lowest 2.30 times. Total asset turnover. In total asset turnover, the value of 2021 is the highest 0.81 times compared to 2020, which is the lowest 0.75 times. Debt ratio. In the debt ratio, the value of 2021 is the lowest 52.46% compared to the highest year 2020. 61.89%. Debt to equity ratio. The value of debt to equity ratio in 2020 is the highest 8.36% compared to the lowest year in 2021 6.76%. Time interest earned. The value of time interest earned in 2019 is the highest 8.08 times compared to the lowest year in 2020 6.57 times. Gross profit margin. In gross profit margin, the value of 2021 is the lowest 72.32 compared to the highest year in 2019 77.22%. Operating profit margin. The value of operating profit margin in 2021 is the lowest 23.91%, while the highest is 29.05% respectively. Net profit margin. In net profit margin, the value in 2019 is the highest 22.76%, while the lowest in year 2021 is 80.34%. Return on asset. The highest value of return on asset is 70.58% in 2019, while the lowest is 40.82% in 2021. Return on equity. The highest value of return on equity is 217.12% in 2019, while the lowest is 183.64% in 2021.
Good day, madam. My name is KANDASAMY and my matric number is 821A3067. Today I would like to present the horizontal analysis for REDTONE management. So basically, we were used a 14 financial ratio to analysis the company's financial stability, which were current ratio, quick ratio, inventory turnover, net working capital, fixed asset turnover, total asset turnover, debt ratio, debt to equity ratio, time interest earned, gross profit margin, operating profit margin, return on assets, and last but not least, return on equity. For in the example, for the current ratio from the year 2019 to the year 2020, rate incorporate International Sandrian Berhad has slightly declined in current ratio 2.67 times to 2.57 times, and the current ratio of REDTONE International from the year 2020 to 2021 increased from 2.57 times to 2.63 times. This shows the continuous or gradually significantly increased current ratio in that company. In another word, the total asset turnover in the rate incorporate International Sandrian Berhad, the total asset turnover for the company from the year 2019 to the year 2020 decreased gradually from 0.91 times to 0.70 times to 0.64 times. But from the different aspect, for the operating profit margin for the companies is decreased from 15.90% to 11.07% from the year 2019 to 2020. However, in 2021, they increased to 24.09% from 11.07% from the previous year.
A very good morning. I'm Sinthu here and my metric number is 821-83077. So today I will be explaining the vertical analysis. Total assets turnover. DIGI Telecommunication had the highest total assets turnover compared to the REDTONE International. This clearly shows that DIGI Telecommunication is exceptionally effective at extracting a high level of revenue from a relatively low number of assets. Debt ratio. The debt ratio of DIGI Telecommunication is higher than the REDTONE International throughout the 3 years. That means DIGI has a higher amount of debt to finance and it's risky for REDTONE International but DIGI. They had a lower amount of debt to finance. Followed by time interest earned. The time interest earned by REDTONE International is higher than DIGI Telecommunication. This is because REDTONE International able to present less of risk to investors and creditors in terms of solvency. Followed by gross profit margin. The gross profit margin for DIGI Telecommunication is way higher than REDTONE International throughout the years 2019, 2020 and 2021. DIGI has more contribute the sales compared with REDTONE, where they sell their products at the low prices. Continue with return on assets. Return on assets is gradually decreasing for DIGI Telecommunication. From 2020 to 2021, return on assets increased for REDTONE International. Followed by a return on equity. Return on equity for DIGI Telecommunication is decreasing gradually. For REDTONE International, the return on equity had lower percentage compared to the DIGI Telecommunications, but it increases fluctuately from 2019 to 2020 and to 2021. Thank you.
My name is Gan Hui-Ling, A21A2483. I will be presenting the recommendation for the two companies. For DIGI Telecommunication Sandrian Berhad, first, the merger of more companies to meet the needs and wants for consumer. This is said to be the case if companies such as Celcom Axiata Berhad agree to become shareholder for DIGI Sandrian Berhad will definitely have a positive impact on the country, telecommunication sector and the digitization data demand. Second, improve management. It is true to say that good management will experience there will be no deviation between outside parties in the organization. For REDTONE International Berhad, we believe that opportunity exists in time of crisis. To survive and thrive in these unprecedented times, business must embrace and adapt to change quickly. At the path forward is digital transformation. REDTONE works with natural intelligence solution technology Sandrian Berhad, a regional data science firm that is part of the newly formed Berjaya Innovation Group. In addition, improving customer service is also a recommendation for REDTONE. Automation is telecommunication helps to improve customer service. Many businesses, for example, use AI voice bots for sales, marketing, and customer supports.
Yes, it's me again. The latest part of this presentation is conclusion. As a result of financial analysis of the company's annual reports and ratios, we can conclude that DIGI Telecommunications and BERHAD has a better financial ratios analysis and trend analysis. We can see from the sales growth that both companies are experiencing a decline in sales growth, but DIGI Telecommunications and BERHAD experiencing a less decrease in sales growth, making them a better company. The same goes for their gross and net profit margins. DIGI Telecommunications and BERHAD outperformed REDTONE International BERHAD in both margins. Overall, from this analysis that we are doing, we can conclude that DIGI Telecommunications and BERHAD is a better telecommunication company compared to REDTONE International BERHAD. That's all for me. Thank you.